Oh, what's up, y'all?
What's going on, Jimmy Oaks Garage subscribers? How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you guys? Good? Great. Awesome.
We're doing great.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, so today we're gonna do something pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna make you a cool guy.
We're gonna do the cool guy starter pack. It's a fake broad seat and a sweet old steering wheel.
As you guys know, the E46 is Bry's next season drift car. That's the whole. I mean, it was supposed to be. It's the whole goal of it's going to be his drift car for next season. Once he paid since Mark III and daily is that. So of course, every cool guy with a drift car needs a bitchin' steering wheel and a bucket seat. So a couple months ago, I got the bucket seat at some car show. Right here, it's a fake Bride. It's a nice one though. It's actually like really sturdy. The fake ones could be pretty flimsy. And I got B a quick release hub for his Nardi steering wheel that he's had for years, and we're gonna be throwing this stuff in the E46 today because why the hell not? It's gonna be fun. It's the middle of winter, but I guess any real drive car in the winter is a drift car.
That's absolutely correct. You don't even need a welded diff.
Exactly. So today, of course, we're gonna be doing steering wheel, bucket seat. So I'm excited. So first thing we gotta figure out is how to take his steering wheel off and his factory seats.
Nice. Yo, let's explode this thing.
Maybe. I didn't disconnect the battery, so it's definitely gonna be a check engine light on, or I mean an airbag light on.
You good there?
Yeah, it's a BMW, so there's no actual thing. It's just a little titty.
Dudley, get your ass out of here.
Pull that off. And you just grab the
Don't you got a beer to drink?
Yes, I do.
B, what are we taking out right
Time
here?
to get the dusty clock spring off because new steering wheel doesn't have no airbag. I don't need that shit. Sweet.
Yeah.
So we got steering wheel hub, quick release. It actually looks pretty good. It was actually pretty cheap too.
Yeah, I'm impressed for the price.
So you gotta bolt it all together just to make sure it's all lined up straight.
Looks pretty straight to me.
Dude, it's gonna matches the BMW trim pretty well. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Blaster on, B.
And that's it. Sick.
Nice. How's the dish? It's actually pretty good. What do you think?
Well, my seat is way off.
Ooh,
Sick.
dude, I think it looks killer.
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, time for the hard part.
Yeah, the fun part. This is kind of boring.
This is boring. This is sick. Look at that. It looks awesome.
Yeah, it's sick. The outcome is sick, but doing it.
All right, so we gotta take this seat out, and it's electric. This might be interesting.
Yeah, we'll see. We don't know what we're doing yet.
So we don't have seat rails for the Bride. We never have them. We're gonna make them, and our goal is obviously to cut up the factory seat rails and use those as what we usually do. B wants to try and like use the electric motors in the seat.
Hell yeah.
So we're gonna see if it's possible. I mean, anything's possible. We're gonna see if it's like reasonably possible. And
yeah, if my head's hitting the ceiling and I have electric seats, it's stupid. But if
So,
it's in the right spot and it works, then it's great.
yeah, let's just get the seat out.
She heavy? She looks heavy.
She's a lot heavier than that thing.
All right, so this is what we gotta dissect. It's actually not as bad as I thought. The motors are all attached to this, so we should try and remove the seat off of this first. Let's just start taking stuff apart. How about that?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, let's take stuff apart.
Wow. Okay, we can just unclip it right here. Yeah. So we're gonna pull,
Squeeze these together.
And this whole thing should come off. That's pretty cool. Dude, look at this whole mechanism. If we could just put it right on top, that'd be so sick. Nice, good technique.
Ryan,
Still not gonna.
Oh, Jesus, Jimbo, you suck! Rip this shit! Ripped it, you mother.
Here, Drew.
Thank you. Tucker's.
Did change just fall out of that?
Yeah.
We got a nickel.
Look out, Brian.
oh no way.
Come on, baby.
Look at this.
Dude, that's a nickel right there. Diary.
Alright, so as you can see, this whole mechanism right here is what swings the whole back end of it. So we can basically just pull all this out.
Do we do it like men? Or like smart men?
Hold on.
No, I got it.
Yeah, we can make it safer.
Very anticlimactic.
See? Because I had weight on it.
Get that bitch out of here.
All right, we got another spring. Let's get dangerous.
Now this one's got a cover on it. We're straight. Come on.
Oh, how is it still on there?
Let's put it like this. There we go. Josh, take this for me. There we go. Nice.
All right, this is what we're working with.
All right, guys. So now we have our bare seat frame. This is like really cool. It's looking like it might work like pretty damn well. So the chair has 3 functions: back and forth, ass tilt, and back tilt. Since we don't need the back tilt because I mean it's a fixed bucket seat. The ass tilt will actually act as our, reclining, which is sick. So all we need to do is have the function of ass tilt and back and forth. So we can get rid of the whole back tilt motor right here and just leave these 2 in the front. So this is gonna be pretty sick. There she is. All right, let's see what happens. All right, we got the back and forth, and then, oh, yes. There you go, B.
That's it.
That's it. All right, let's figure out how to weld the seat to the damn bracket.
All right, so we're doing our first modification and we're gonna be leveling off the platform that the seat is gonna like sit on. There's like a little bump on it and we're just gonna lop it off and then we're gonna test fit the seat. This bump, we're gonna level it off. Hold it down for a second.
So we got our universal seat brackets laying around that we actually got from Drew. Shout out Drew too.
Drew Tim, shout out! Drew at Drew 96. Something.
He's on the loft. But yeah, he hooked it up, so thank you, Drew. So we're gonna see actually how this fits on the factory seat frame.
See if we made any progress here.
Yo, it literally sits on it.
Well, that's good.
that's a little convenient, isn't it? So that's the main rail right there. Sits centered. And that one right there. How crazy is that? We might get a little too lucky on this one. All right, let's make sure it's all the way down. And somewhere in the middle. All right, I wonder where we are positioned. All right, how's the height?
The height is
Put the steering wheel on.
not bad. It's still maybe a little high. It goes really far. My knees are hitting the dashboard.
Okay, let's go all the way back.
I can't reach the clutch anymore.
It's okay.
I think you could drive.
Okay. Okay. It looks like we don't have to like recess it too far. Maybe an inch.
I don't even think we should. At
Okay,
this
cool.
point.
I'm hanging. So right now we got to worry about height.
This has got a lot of throw. Lots of different people can drive an E46. Keep that in mind. If you're short or tall, you could probably drive this car.
Still going. All right, where you comfy yet? Tell me when you're
I've
comfy.
been cut. Let me give me this.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Let
I'm
me
doing
man
this
the
for you.
controls here. Get in this. Get in there. All right. This is a big test.
Put the helmet on.
Oh, where's my helmet?
How's the headroom? 'Cause that's what matters.
Plenty of headroom.
Okay, cool.
I can see the gauges.
All right, so height is our issue. How's the height?
I think the height's actually good.
Should we just clean how it sits and just send it?
Yeah, honestly.
Come on, talk louder. I gotta hear you.
I got a helmet on, all right? Actually, man, I'm happy with it.
Yeah?
Yeah, right.
All right, let's clean it up and weld it.
This thing is good to go.
That is sick. I think this is the easiest set of seat rails we've ever made. I mean, we're not done yet. Well, let's skip to it.
So this thing honestly fits on here so freaking perfectly somehow that we can almost just put it symmetric. We could just put it centered and just tack it in and weld it up. We have to do a little bit of fill welding or we could hit it with the hammer, but we should be good to go. It doesn't look too weird either, you know? All right, she's ready for some welds.
We got a measuring tape here, Jimbo.
Yeah, ready? My thumb.
No.
I'm kidding. Where am I? Thought that would work.
Over there.
Here you go, ball.
I can see that there.
So sick.
You got the gas on, right?
Yep.
So the seat is tacked into place onto the base. Now, of course, we're gonna sit it in the car and have Brian sit in the car and just make sure it feels straight before we fully weld it up. God forbid it's crooked, because then it'd be a lot harder to cut off.
How's she feel? She looks good. Yes. Yep. I think we did a good thing here.
Let's weld her up. Of course, we're covering the seat so we don't burn it. Courtesy of Drew too. So B just got the chair fully welded up and it looks sick. He's painting it real quick so it doesn't rust. Looks really badass. So we're gonna actually put all the plastics back on so the switches will go in. And I think it's gonna fit.
Just did a tiny little bit of trimming so we can clear one thing.
But we ain't scared.
Let's see. Did we trim enough?
Yeah, I think that's pretty spot on, right?
That's actually...
Yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool. All right, so this piece, it just clicks on right here, and as you can see, it's gonna look sick. We can't put it on yet because we actually have to get it in the car and get the seatbelt on. And once the seatbelt is on, then we can click it on. But dude, look how cool. You know, like with it being tan, that looks sick. Yeah, that's so cool. That looks OEM, doesn't it?
I'm hyped.
All right, let's get it in.
All right, it wasn't easy, but we got there. Putting the one screw on. Yes.
That's it. Dude, this looks so cool. We got both pieces of trim on, and this looks actually fucking sick. Look at it. Looks OEM. Because it is. Just not this part. This thing looks too cool. How's it feel?
Official. Feels awesome.
Dude, I can't get over this. OEM plus as heck.
If you're really short, you could hop in here, take it for a ride.
Oh, showing off the height. Dope.
Still runs.
So usually modifying your OEM seat rails is a pain in the ass, and they're usually like not square and they're not a good platform, but for some reason with the electric chair, that was really easy.
Yeah, no, it was really, really nice. And they kind of made it offset, and we weren't sure if we had to leave it where, you know, kind of centered on the thing or make it offset to counter that, but it ended up working out perfect.
Like the whole thing was squared up and we just dropped it off after dismantling it. And usually it's not nearly that easy. So we got pretty lucky today.
For sure. I agree.
So if you guys have an E46 with electric seats and you're not that tall, it's a pretty cool mod.
I like how you called it the electric chair. We could. This is what we're gonna do for the video. Ready? We're gonna put Brian in a prison suit, and it's gonna say Brian gets the electric chair.
Oh, shit.
Clickbait. Yeah, that's it,
dude. See if you can fit in it. It's all the way back.
That's how you get 100,000 views right there.
So I can street drive it if I take the cushions out.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is how I fit most people's cars. It's very centered. I'm really impressed.
Well, that was the goal.
It's so weird being in a bride with electric controls. Let me make it a little taller.
The motor's having a hard time.
Get out of here. Yes. Oh wow, this thing's ready to party. Damn. All right, B. I still can't believe how freaking awesome this whole thing came out.
I'm excited for the drive home.
So, I mean, if you guys, I don't know how easy this might be on other electric seats in other cars, but in the E46, it was quite easy.
Yeah.
And I know you said it a million times, but god damn, that looks good, and it's pretty badass. So, Brian, you are officially one cool guy.
I'm a cool guy now. Cool kid package is done.
There it is.
Ready to go.
Awesome. So I'm gonna end it right there. That was sick. That worked out 1,000 times better than I ever thought it would. So that's it. B, enjoy your new seat.
Thank you.
Enjoy your quick
appreciate
release
that
and all
very much.
stuff. And I think that's it for tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you want to do this, good luck ripping apart your factory seat. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
Have a great night.